Well, we're donating some furniture to a child that's just been adopted by a family.
The Adoption Exchange reached out to us, asked if we would be able to donate a piece of furniture to a kiddo who had gone through the Adoption Exchange. She loves to read, so we decided to donate a bookcase to her in a beanbag so she'd have a cozy area to read in. You know, it's really important to Jake to be part of our surrounding communities and to give back to people. That's his passion. He wants to give back to people with disabilities and people that can't fend for themselves. He just wants to make an impact and be the change.
I'm a great supporter of adoption. I think everybody should have a home.